Welcome to the Nearly Spring virtual band concert. What the kids did was they recorded themselves playing their part along with the backing track, sent them all to me. They were mixed together so they sounded right, they were all lined up, and then put onto little boxes onto the screen for you to enjoy. While listening, we only have 2 songs. While listening, I encourage you to use headphones or some good speakers to get the best out of this. The first piece is called Pumped. It features our 7th and 8th graders combined, and it's composed by Bruce Broughton. Please enjoy. I am so proud of my kids. They have clearly improved as musicians as well as recording artists. It can be a tricky thing playing along with a backing track. It can be hard to get to find a device that works well and to get some good acoustics going. And your kids have clearly gotten better at the final product. What they send to me was much easier to mix together this time. So props to your kids for making that happen. Our next piece has the high school bands combined playing a piece called Black Forest Overture, and this is composed by Brian Ballmages. Please enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. Congratulations to our high schoolers and our 7th and 8th graders for putting together some great pieces of music. It's been particularly challenging to do this not when we're in the same room together, but I had a great time making it happen, and I hope that you enjoyed watching your kids, and I hope they enjoyed watching themselves performing tonight. If you would like to make a donation to the Gladstone Band program, you will find a link in the description of this video, and you'll also find a link to our past performances from January. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great night. Babe, they won't have any idea I'm not wearing dress pants.